My role is the president, I'm the boss. I'm the founder. It started in 2014 out of my house in my garage. And I started it because my kids were once in foster care and they came with absolutely nothing. And I got a call one day and they said they had a brand new 7-day-old baby that needed a forever home, and I had 2 days to prepare, and I was out of town, so I wasn't in the area. So when I came home the next day, I was at the hospital picking up my brand new baby, who was only 5 pounds. He was meth exposed, and he needed a forever mom and a forever home. So we took him. I had a borrowed car seat, and so I went right across the street with my brand new baby from the Chandler Regional Hospital and picked a couple outfits out for him and took him home. And so that happened 3 times to me, where I got brand new placement and didn't really have much of a notice. I'm not like a regular mom has 9 months to prepare and go have baby showers or anything. It was just kind of like, you have a brand new baby and they need a home and need stuff. So we provide care packages for them. So like clothes, shoes, diapers, wipes, things like that. Everything is all donation driven and volunteer driven. So what we get it provided back out to the children and to the families that are in need. TPM, so 3 Precious Miracles, is actually Tecumseh, Precious, and Micah. That's my kids' names. So this is all from the heart. This is all started because of my children and how blessed I've been with these little 3 miracles. I started to see the need, and I thought, man, I can't just do this out of my garage, and I need to try to get it out further, with my friends and family. Maybe I could send little letters out to companies and groups that want to get involved. And so that's what I started doing. And so I would have to say last year we served about 250 kids with care packages, and we probably touched about 1,300 people's lives just through events that we've done. I see this as a national model. I see TPM being a national model to take off for Native communities nationally, to develop something in Native communities, because I've reached out and there's nothing like this, and so being able to do that right here. My husband's an enrolled member of Gila River Indian Community, so I have such a great support, and so I see us going there and being national. And helping other tribes. Right now we've served about 11 tribes here in Arizona, but we've also helped other tribes out on the East Coast. Like we have kids here from Potawatomi living here, Oklahoma, different tribes, and here we are sending care packages to South Dakota and Oklahoma, and it's so amazing to see that through social media and what we've done, people are reaching out to us from other states and saying, hey, can you help us? And so we were sending care packages to them. So a friend of mine, her mother has a nonprofit, and it's in Queen Creek area, and so she helps her mom, and she said, have you ever heard of TAP? And I said, no, what is that? And she said, it's an organization that helps nonprofits, and they kind of become the main people, like your fiduciary. And someone else told me that too, and you really need to think about getting a board and making yourself a nonprofit. And I'm like, I don't know, because I work full-time, I'm a full-time mom, and I just didn't think I had time. And when I started to research it, I thought, okay, if I can have somebody handle that piece for me, then I think I can make it work. We can grow. We can go where this needs to go. I did a lot of prayer, honestly. I mean, prayer is a big thing for me. And I contacted them, I wrote them, I filled out the application, and then I got a call and said, you're accepted. And I think I just about fell on the floor, because then I knew that, okay, I have somebody that's going to help me. And then recently we were selected by the North American Council of Adoptable Children to send a group of our teens, people that we want, and plus 2 of my team members, to Minnesota and get advocacy and leadership training. And it's all paid for by Jockey Foundation, so now people are seeing the work that we're doing on reservations and communities. So TAP has been amazing to help me handle that part, because I don't have time to do it. So I want to try to see what other things they can do for me, but it's just like, okay, it's a little bit hard, but yeah, I'm so appreciative of what they've done for me.